In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change currency Godaddy. To get started, sign into your Godaddy website dashboard and look over to the menu on the left-hand side. This is where you will find the main controls for your website and online store. In that side menu, find the Store section. If it is not already expanded, click to open the Store drop-down menu so you can see the available options underneath it. Once the Store menu is expanded, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where your store preferences and checkout-related options are managed. If you are updating the currency for your online shop, this is the section you need to use. After you are on the Settings page, look for the Store Settings box. Inside this section, find the field labeled Currency. This is the option that controls which transaction currency your store uses. Click on the drop-down menu and choose your preferred currency from the list. Make sure you select the one you want customers to see and use during checkout, since this setting affects how prices are displayed and processed in your storefront. Before moving on, take a moment to confirm that the selected currency is correct. This is especially important if your products are already live, because changing the currency can affect how pricing appears across your store. Choosing the correct setting here helps avoid confusion for customers and keeps your storefront consistent. When you are ready, click Save. This will apply the new currency setting to your store. Keep in mind that the update may not appear instantly everywhere. In some cases, it can take several minutes for the new currency symbol and pricing structure to fully propagate across your live storefront and product pages. If you do not see the change right away, give it a little time and then refresh the page to check again. That is the full process for changing the currency in Godaddy. You open the Store menu, go into Settings, select your preferred currency under Store Settings, and save the change. Once the update finishes propagating, your storefront should reflect the new currency setting. That covers everything you need to know.